non-mechanical foam modding. I don't know if that's even a thing. I don't know if that's even gonna work. But I tried it with this Red Thunder keyboard. It's an RGB, like 60% wire keyboard. It's nice. It sounded good, but I want to see what happens if you try to tape mod it or foam mod it even. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna sound better? Is it gonna even do anything? It's not mechanical, so it really depends on what the result's gonna be. And I think the end of it's gonna show for itself if it was good or not, or if you should do it or not. I just wanted to try this out, and I was gonna try out other things inside keyboards like this, because so I want to try some things that people haven't tried before, like putting that in a non-mechanical keyboard. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Now, since this is actually my first time ever even slightly modding a keyboard, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, because there isn't much space in this keyboard. You can actually see that I just disassembled it, and it looks like there's a lot of depth in here, but it only really sinks in, it doesn't sink into these parts. These are the only parts I'm gonna be able to really put anything into, is these. But I'm probably going to do something with it. I'm going to try to tape the back of the keyboard, because I heard that works. This isn't mechanical keyboard, but I just want to try it because it'll be... Now this is the keyboard with bubble wrap, and that's all. Just assembled it, and this is what it sounds like, if it sounds any differently. I feel like it could be quieter. I'm going to take it apart again and see if I can figure anything out. Now I have finished putting the keyboard in. Actually, I didn't put in the middle screws because I didn't think I needed to, but you can actually really notice the bend. So I actually am going to put in the other screws. That's probably the last of the mods we can do without it getting really bubbled, because you can actually see the bottom of it is kind of already bubbled out a little bit. It might kind of settle in over time. I think this is as good as we're going to get. And it sounds quite the same. And then with the feet out, there's that wobble to it, which is kind of aggravating. Let me try to fix it with tape, the wobble. Yeah, so it sounds pretty decent after the mod. We just put bubble wrap and stuff in it, but yeah. And then with the feet out, there's that wobble to it, which is kind of aggravating. Let me try to fix it with tape, the wobble.